Good morning, cyber traders. Welcome back, everybody. Good to see you all. Looks like we're having a pretty interesting morning. Oh my God, big crash that's going on in the market right now. We're going to talk about it, and I'll give you a little heads up and a couple of little things I heard about what's going to probably happen to the market. I think you guys want to be very aware of. First of all, what's happening with the market right now? So you're seeing NVIDIA taking a major hit right now, and it's basically going across the board. So there's this new does anybody here listen? I don't need to always do the homework. Hopefully everybody's done their homework also. But over the weekend, China came out with a new AI. It's called DeepSeek. If anyone here has looked into it or downloaded the app yet, basically it's like ChatGPT. Okay, it's just a lot cheaper, and it's not just that new ChatGPT that came out, but what the really big announcement is more or less that this company, China, came out with a lot less expensive AI chip, a lot cheaper, faster, and better, and it's crushing everybody that made big investments into AI. So AI stocks across the board. Amazon's got a big investment. Microsoft's got a big investment. Google's got a big investment. So it just shows you that the competition in the market, is out there. And, China always at the end of the day, just it makes it cheaper and does make it faster. You know what? We could have this debate. Do they cheat? Do they lie? Do they copy? Listen, they got their hands in everything. You see what's happening with TikTok. They track everything. It just comes a matter of time when they figure it out, and boom. You know what? Look where TikTok came from, right? Where did that come out of nowhere, right? Now you're seeing this AI chip that's coming out there. So a lot of competition. So a lot of these stocks are getting hit. Market's taking a very big hit over it. And, and there's a couple other things I want to bring up. Okay. It's just not that. I watched China already been ahead on quantum computing. They are, Lynn. And you know what? You see what's happening to the certain stocks that are actually getting affected by it. So the thing is, you could see NVIDIA is down by 15 points right now, broke through a major support level. This was its major resistance levels right around here, which is right around the 125. It's hovering right around there. But, listen, they'll figure something out. They'll figure something out. I just hope they don't become like the next Intel. You know what I mean? And we all know how that story ended. Anyway, a couple of things I do want to bring up and do talk about. Over the weekend, I spoke to a few people, and one of them was pretty good friends with a very, very big hedge fund guy. Okay, a big, not a hedge, it was a big bonds guy. So I want to let you know what's going to, just before we go through the watch list, everything else, I'm going to do a video, and I'm going to share my insights on the dangers that's going to happen into the stock market. They're projecting a very, very big crash. Okay. And for the reasoning of the new president that's coming, President Trump that's coming in, and it's going to go both ways. It's going to have a crash, it's going to have a rally, and I'm going to post it on my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So I don't have too much time right now to kind of talk about it, but I really think you guys want to listen to this video. It's going to really, really give you good insights. It's not about bashing the president or complimenting him or everything. Remember what I always tell you. We are all the same party. We are traders, okay? So you see what happens today. Some of you might be long. Some of us are going to go short, and that's really what it comes down to it. So those are the things that we're going to kind of cover. So I'll put that in a quick little video, a nice little video explaining what to expect and when to expect it and what the outcome will be. And I think you guys are going to enjoy it. So anyway, but let's go talk about what happened on Friday and last week. I know you guys had some really good stocks. I had some big moves. I was actually away. Obviously, the staff was here. Josh and Rich and John and everyone else here, the instructors and all you guys did a great job last week. But I went to a big conference where part of that, what happened, I want to bring it up in that little video clip I'm going to be posting. But anyway, a couple of stocks I do want to touch upon that you guys did trade on Friday that I know you guys did pretty well. This stock, we did trade it just back at the end of December. It was a 40-cent stock, ran to about $12. It was literally almost about 2,000%. Had a good move up on Friday. It moved all day. Beautiful looking trend stock right there. I know a lot of you guys did really well on it. $2 all the way a whopping of $6. Great move. Good run for all of you guys. I got a piece of it. Irene, another nice little run up. IRE. Irene has always been a big fan of ours. And that stock moved up pretty nicely, but she's down pretty big. Again, once again, I think one of these stocks are part of the quantum stocks that also are getting affected of it. TAL, one of the Chinese stocks out there also. I believe this is the one of the education stocks. Yeah, EDU is another one that obviously trades side by side with. This one took a big hit. But TAL, another nice little move. And okay, what's it, LO? That one too moved up pretty nicely, right? Nice little gap up there. But once again, you can see how the day trading has been moving up pretty nicely. But then all of a sudden, when you hold them overnight, doesn't work so well. So a lot of these stocks have to do with what happened over the weekend with DeepSeek. So anyway, definitely look into it and definitely check it out. All right. So a couple of things I just want to point out that I've also talked to a lot of big gurus, and they also have been saying the same thing. Swing trading has been getting quite difficult right now. I mean, obviously, you could see what happened you could see a lot of bleeding going on with Amazon up here. Look at this thing. I mean, really, really took a very, very nasty hit. A lot of them out there, especially the ones that are really deep into the AI industry. But they did say a lot of the good things that people are doing pretty well is in the day trading. Okay. And that was why I was very, very popular talking to everyone there, because they know that that's what we do here at Cybertrading University is do a lot of day trading. And you guys here in the trading room know that. So just be careful on your swing trades. If they're starting to trend down, be very careful. I mean, we saw that nice little run on Oracle. I actually did well on the swing trade. I did buy back into it. I kind of broke even now after I gave back that nice little profit. I thought, but listen, this is the game. This is the game. So did well on Oracle, sold it, bought it back a little bit cheaper, gave back most of that profit on that Oracle. Once again, it happens. It happens to the best of us, but who could predict what was going to happen with some of these stocks? So am I going to probably get out? I'll see what happens at these prices. Remember, this has nothing to do with the AI. This lot has to do about the data centers that they're building. All right. So anyway, let's go through the watch list because there are a couple of very, very good, nice moving stocks that are moving up this morning. I do want to start off with this JG. This stock is moving up pretty nice right here. Let me change the screen for some of you watching on social media so you can see a little bit better. So JD right here. Really, really nice little push right here. I'm looking at the orders right here. We are getting a little bit of a ladder effect, but the issue to have with JD, it is extremely volatile. Now, remember, we got classes that are starting this week. I know we just did phase one last week for all you students out there, and then we're starting phase two. Remember what we always tell you here at Cybertrading University. Half the people fail just on taking the first lesson. That first lesson we teach in phase one, which is tradable and non-tradable, when we talk about spreads, where we talk about levels, go back to it, watch it, because that is very, very pivotal of your education. So JD, it's probably a category 3, maybe a little bit higher. And so unless you're in that level, stay away from it, even though it is up about 186%. Another one. This stock also gapped up pretty big. It looks like a pharmaceutical stock. It's probably a category 3, category 4. I'm not putting it on the watch list. But this one, on the other hand, is a category 1. This stock had a really nice push this morning. I'm getting a lot of big buyers out here, just under $1. But, I'm not seeing any big iceberg orders on it yet. I see some big resistance levels right around $3 on the right of the chart. I see we got about 120,000 shares out there. So HOLO is not a bad moving stock. I'll keep an eye on that one. MLGO, I don't know. I kind of was a little bit of a fan of the stock. We've been watching this stock. It's been a really, really good swing trade. This stock got destroyed. This stock was not only in the 3,000 price range, obviously wasn't. It was more of a reverse stock split. But this stock is starting to make a little bit of a comeback. You could see right here, we've been watching it pretty closely. It's learning. It's been, I don't know, maybe it's a dead cat bounce on a swing trade. But I know that some of you here, we did talk about it just recently. You can see when I go back, it was all the way down to $1.40. It had a nice little gap up. It's been moving up pretty nicely. So I would keep a close eye on this stock. Like I said, not only good as a day trade today, but also as a swing trade. But it is up 53%. So be very careful. This one right here is up 47%. Automatically is going to be in the it's going to be a high category volatile stock. So I probably would say no on it. TVGN, this one trending down. Good spread, 40%, but she really hasn't gone anywhere. She was up pre-market way, way early this morning. I'm going to scratch this one also. Dada, we traded this stock before. The stock is starting to go up a little bit. Level 1 stock up 29%. Good volume. DADA. We'll keep an eye on that one. VCIG. This one looks pretty good. I like this one right here. She just started making a move. VCIG. I got to bring up the level 4. Good movement, good trend, good spread up 28%. Stock took a big hit. Love that. Starting to make a comeback. Got a big ladder effect. A lot of orders around 240. Okay, I'll show it to you right here. For some of you want to see that. There's the big orders right there. Nice moving stock right there. So not bad. All right. VCIG. Not a bad moving stock. That one will like it. AIXI, no. That pretty much does it there. Losers. Any dead count bounces? No. But we have all the NVIDIA stocks that are all in here. All those leverage stocks are in here. So NVIDIA, NVDA is all on the watch list. Let me just see where the orders are right here. So, by the way, did you guys see the video I posted on NVIDIA? I did it on Instagram. Rich, could you post up the YouTube video and share it in the so I can give it to everybody? I posted a video on iceberg orders on that, huge iceberg orders on that stock right there. You can see we got a lot of big orders here, 125 and 120. Remember, this is only pre-market, but we got a lot of support levels right here. So it could be a good buying opportunity if it holds. If it doesn't, then only way to find out if those orders get filled. New York Stock Exchange popped over there. NVD, a couple of ETFs, they're all in there, but nothing more than that. Don't really like any of those stocks. All right. So it is Monday, everybody. Come back from a weekend. A lot of news going on. Oh, that's the video right there. Okay, Rich, thanks for sharing that. There we go. Let me post that in the this is what happens when you trade blind. Okay. This is what market makers don't want you to know. So definitely, you definitely want to look at that video right there when you guys get a chance. All right. And they're nice. They're short. They're quick. They're about 15. But that one's a pretty quick one, too. That one's like it's only about 20 seconds. But you see some really good iceberg orders. All right. Let's get ready for the market. Open up. Got 15 minutes. It's Monday. I know money's been good lately, but I'm not seeing a big list. So I'm not super excited about today. You got classes going on today. If we got Traders Talk going on this afternoon. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like us, friend us. And also, if you're watching on social media, you can click your phone, click on that QR code. You could join our trading room. We'll be here all day long, and you could join our trading pit. All right, guys? Good luck, everybody. We'll be back in 15 minutes to do full commentary with me and Josh. So don't go anywhere. Everyone else, we'll see you back here for Traders Talk, or once again, come and join our trading room. All right, guys? Good luck, everybody. Happy trading, and I'll see you in a little bit. Don't go anywhere.